Hi friends, here is another program with Python that Fahrenheit temperature will convert to Celsius or centigrade. Okay. First we have to put input math. Then there is a variable called f, input function, int function, then inside input function, enter temperature in Fahrenheit. Then there is a formula C equal to convert formula function by parenthesis f minus 32 into 5 by 10 5 by 9. Okay, that is a formula. Then print temperature in Celsius is C, a C variable. This variable put here, there is value, variable value will be convert here. So if we run the program, then click here, enter temperature in Fahrenheit like 90 degree Fahrenheit. If I put 90 degree Fahrenheit, then if I put enter, then it will convert temperature is Celsius, 90 is Fahrenheit, and Celsius is 32 degree point 22222. Okay, like another we run another time. If we put here like 100, then enter, then 37.7777. If if Celsius scale meters is showing 37, then temperature is high. Okay, so we, what is just revision, input math, it's okay, fine. There is a variable Fahrenheit, f, int function, there is a parenthesis, then input function, another function, and inside some text like enter temperature in Fahrenheit. Then C, there is a formula C equal parenthesis f minus 32 into 5 by 9. Then print temperature Celsius is C. This value should come here. Okay, this value should come here. Okay, then we run program, it will come here. Okay, just terminal. We are running from terminal. You know, Python is running with a terminal. So if I run this program, then another time is asking. So if I put 102 102 degree Fahrenheit, if we convert with Celsius, it will come 38.8888. Okay, I think you have cleared the idea and concept. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.